What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, man, I'm gonna do 5 annoying things about my Dodge Charger. I'm not gonna waste a whole bunch of time, man. I'm just gonna get right into the video. Let's go. The first thing is the front end on the RT. I don't care what nobody say. I like the way the SRT fronts look. I mean, this look okay, but to me, this is a little annoying to me. I don't really like the way the front of the RTs look. Another thing that's annoying to me is these square exhaust tips. I don't understand why Dodge didn't put the regular tips that come on the Scat Packs and the Hellcats, why they didn't put that on the RTs. The next thing that's annoying is the fact that you cannot get the updated UConnect system unless you upgrade your vehicle. For one, why would I trade in my car just to get an updated UConnect system? I just think that's ridiculous. They should have it where the software updates, and regardless of what year you have, you will get the latest software and the latest UConnect system in your Dodge Charger or Challenger. I just think that's so ridiculous that Dodge didn't include that. Because to me, it seemed like all they would have to do is send a signal, update the software, just like they do with the cell phones. It's really not that difficult. Another thing, the SRT pages. Again, I already talked about that. I don't understand how you can have a V8 Dodge Charger or Challenger and you do not have the SRT performance pages. I think all V8 Hemi Dodge Chargers and Challengers should have the performance pages. Another thing that's annoying is sometimes, occasionally, the sunroof gets stuck on the Dodge Chargers and you gotta reset the sunroof. When it first happened to me, I had to take it to the dealership and they had to reset the sunroof. It only took about 3 or 4 seconds, but they're supposed to update the software to prevent that from happening. So far, so good. I haven't had any problems with the sunroof, but that was annoying when I first got my car. Another thing, and y'all already know I always complain about this, the fact that they put 245s on these Dodge Chargers. Now, of course, now I got 275s on here, but the stick on this car is $40,000, and I still gotta go out and buy wider tires to put on my Dodge Charger. So, I think that's just ridiculous. These cars got all this horsepower, and they put 245, 45, 20s on these cars. I just think that's ridiculous, and that's something else that's annoying to me. So that's just some of the things that I found that were annoying about my Dodge Charger RT 5.7. Just in case you're new to the channel, occasionally I like to go back and do some things over again that may have been missed if you're new to the channel. So those are just 5 things I felt that were kind of ridiculous or annoying, and something that Dodge should definitely look into and change for the upcoming Dodge Chargers, because some of that stuff is just ridiculous. And considering the fact that these cars are muscle cars, the thing about the tires is definitely something that Dodge needs to address. So that's what this video is about. It's not a long video. If this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.